Hello, I am Joe and I am a teacher. And I'm going to show you how to make some ghoulish ghosts using just a few YPO products and your children's hands and feet. In order to do this, you will need some black card, white paint, a large paint tray, some wiggly eyes, a black fibre tip, white paper or card, and finally some scissors. For your painted ghosts, pour white paint into a large paint tray. Ask your children to dip their hands and feet into the paint and then press onto the black card. Once the paint is dried, stick on your wiggly eyes. And then draw the mouth. For your cut-out ghosts, ask your children to draw around their hands using the black fibre tip and cut out the shape with scissors. It can get quite messy, but it's a lot of fun.